It smells like apple cider.
Please don't spill it. Oh, gross.
Ah.
Was it actually one?
Yep. Huh? Okay, so she's about to drink it and she might puke. Oh! Does it taste as bad as it smells? The sink is clean right now. It probably poop. Oh, keep this one down. I'm actually gonna try and keep mine. Does it smell bad?
Yep. Yep. It doesn't taste good, does it?
Keep trying. Try the liquid without the chunks.
Oh no, I don't think I should do that.
Why?
I actually thought I was gonna puke. I'll do the chunks. What does that sound even worse?
You should do the liquid without the chunks. That might be better.
What? I got some. How long is it?
2:12.
Maybe because we're upstairs. I want to do another chunk. Oh. You got ketchup.
Ew! Okay, is that supposed to be foaming?
It's foaming, look. You gotta try and edit this. You should turn it that way, and then I can dump some out and pretend I drank some. That way it looks like it.
Back.
Kind of like that. I got some now. It was up there earlier.
See? When do you want to finish it? It's been 3:10.
Should we stop it there?
Yeah. Finished! Goodbye.